Hi guys and welcome to this video. So now let me analyze how the chart pattern or the price formation has been formed in this particular chart here. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the price has gone up and touched this resistance level, and after touching this level the price has been consolidated a bit and it has come down. Okay, so this is acting as a support level as of now. So this support level has touched once here and gone up, and again it has made this key resistance level, and again it has come down and touch the support level. Okay, so now again you can see here this resistance level has been touched almost, and again it's retesting this support level. Okay, so now if this support level is not held, okay, so then there are chances that the price might decrease from here, or if the support level is held, then we can see it might go and touch this resistance level again, or also go up from here if the volume comes. Okay, so let's see how the price will perform till here from here now. Okay, so let me just draw the key support and resistance level what we have according to the current price what it has found right here. So let's consider this as a key support level as of now, and let's consider this as a key resistance level what we have as of now. Okay, so if the price continues to go up, then there are chances it might break this level and go up, or if it's not getting a good amount of buyers, then there are chances the price might become bearish and come down from here. So anyway, let's wait and observe how the price will perform. And please note, this video is only for educational purpose, and in this video it does not contain any investment advices. Okay, so this video is purely for educational purpose. So let's wait and see how the price will fluctuate now. Guys, yes, this is a price action analysis. So according to the chart formation or the price formation what it has done till now, so based on that we are doing the live analysis of how the price will fluctuate as of now. Okay, and also guys, as you guys can see now, there the red candle is being formed, showing that the sellers are in a big volume here. Okay, so if the support level breaks, we might see the price might come down and touch the next support level what we have to the downer side here. And also guys, if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies without indicators, and also if you guys are looking for improving your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact on the number displayed on the screen for more educational details. So guys, yes, as of now, a big red candle has been formed near to the support level. Okay, so yes, if the support level breaks, we might see the price might come down here. So the candle which is being formed right now will act as an important role here. So let's see, will that candle take a support, or even that will break a support here. Okay, so yes, as you guys can see here, that candle has given a breakout towards the downer side, so that candle has not taken the support here. Okay, so previously this level has acted as a support level and went up till the resistance, and now we can see here it has given a breakout on the support level. So the red candle is being formed, that means the sellers are coming here. Okay, so we can see here the price is coming down and it might touch the next support level what we have. Okay, so I have just drawn a line here. So yes, it's almost getting closer to that support level here. Okay, so yes, so this has given a sell side momentum, so it was a short sell kind of momentum here. So as you guys can see here, this is almost touching the next support level what we have in this particular chart. Okay, so guys, yes, this is how the price action has been performed as of now according to this kind of formation what it had for today. Okay, and if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies, you can contact on the number displayed on the screen and subscribe to my channel for more knowledge. So yes, we can see here the price has almost touched the support level what we had